QHSE Akbar Jilani. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you are our existing subscribers, please you are requested to watch the video from start up to the last. In this video, we will discuss about what is IMS, what is OSHMS, and what is EHSMS. Different organizations, they have their management system. In some they call this IMS, some call this QHSMS, OSHMS, and EHSMS. So now let's say what's the difference between these management systems. IMS, Integrated Management System. In Integrated Management System, IMS combines multiple management systems into one framework. Most companies integrate ISO 9001 QMS, Quality Management System, then ISO 14001 EMS, Environmental Management System, and ISO 45 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, OSHMS. Some companies, they have the compliance standard, like if we are working in Abu Dhabi, they also integrate the compliance standard of OSHMS with the IMS. In some companies, they are working in food for manufacturing or food preparation companies, preparation companies or food service providing companies. They also integrate the system of food safety with the IMS. So it depends on the organization. Some companies, they also integrate the business continuity. In some companies, they also the security system also they combine with the IMS. It depends on the organization. We know that all the management system based on the PDCA. So the ISO systems based on the PDCA. So based on this, the NXSL, they integrate the systems and they call this IMS. IMS help reduce duplication, improve efficiency, simplify audits, and ensure consistent policies and procedures. OSHMS, Occupational Safety and Health Management System. OSHMS focuses only on health and safety within an organization. Examples include ISO 45001, ILO OSH 2001 guidelines, many national frameworks like OSHMS is in Abu Dhabi, OSHA as you have in the US, requirements, etc. OSHMS ensures workers are safe, hazards are controlled, and legal compliance is issued. EHSMS, Environment, Health and Safety Management System. EHSMS combines environment ISO 14, health and safety ISO 45, 45001. Many organizations use EHSMS to manage both environmental impact and worker safety under one system. Differences between IMS, OSHMS, and EHSMS. IMS, Integrated Quality Management System, Environment and Health and Safety. Standards 9001, 14 and 45. They also combine other standard based on the ISO. Also the compliance standard they also can integrate. OSHMS, only health and safety, ISO 45, ILO, OSH. EHSMS, environment, health and safety, so ISO 14 and ISO 45. Why organizations use these systems? Compliance with ISO and legal frameworks, reduce incident and costs, improve efficiency and sustainability, also build safety culture. If you have any question regarding the video, please give in your comments so that we answer to your comments and improve our quality. Thank you very much, and we'll see you with the next video.